quick market update. Stick around. Hopefully you learn something, or hit me up in the comments. Maybe you could teach me something. So cool. Let's get straight into it, right? If you've been watching my videos lately, we've been nailing it. We've been killing it. And we are not doing anything special. We're just literally trading the trend. Like, we're not doing nothing special. All we're doing is trading the trend. Sometimes when you keep it nice and simple, you get the best results, right? So in this video here, I explained to you why Bitcoin was going to 94K. In this video here, I explained to you lot, like, what the importance of selling and just not holding your bags. Like, you need, like, taking profit, like, it's very important. I made a video about over here, and obviously in this video I explained to you like why I haven't closed down my short positions and I'm still sticking in my short positions. And yeah, in this video I explained to you like how to get into uni and why uni would have been a good project to get into. And obviously I done my whole thought process of entry, aggressive entries, the lot. If you ain't watched none of these videos, I strongly advise you to watch them. Hopefully you can learn something. But cool, let's get straight into it. Bitcoin. Boring, boring, boring. We saw this drop to 94K around here at 104. At 104, we saw this drop happening, right? And I'm not going to get into it. You can watch my video and I explain to you lot how I got those supports, why that was a lower high, everything up, everything's in that video. So there's no point wasting time right now, yeah? So right now, what are we doing? What are we doing? Cool. This is what I'm thinking. I'm still in a short, by the way, yeah? And I want to see a new low, because obviously Bitcoin hasn't made a new low yet. I need this low to be lower than this low. So that shows me the trend still on a bearish downtrend, right? That's what I want to see. That's why I'm still in my short positions. But as a bull, what they're probably doing is, this is what they're doing. They're doing something like this. And they're like, this is called the Fibonacci retracement line, fib levels. What you do is you get it from the highest swing to the lowest swing, and that'll give you targets in it where the price potentially can go next before it starts going down again. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. So if I was a bull, this is what I'll do from the top to the bottom, and then 618. That's the golden pocket. 0.5, you can easily go there as well. That's how I'll be thinking. I'll start off like this, right? But all of that goes out the window. Right now, it's simple. Like, it's boring. And these are the best times to save your money. Right now, the only way I would start thinking about doing longs is if Bitcoin does something like this. If I see this from Bitcoin, then I'm out. I'm selling all my short positions. I'm closing them. And then I'm going to follow the trend. Higher lows, higher highs. That's just how I trade. It's easy, simple. Right now, we don't see that. That's on the 4-hour. Let's see what we see on the hour. We don't see that. We don't see that at all on the hour. We just see a lower low. Potentially, this could be a double bottom on the hourly, but we don't know yet. Yeah? So, on the hourly, we want to see something like this. We want to see this get broken. If this gets broken on the hourly, then we'll see if we're going to come up here, then up here, then up here, and up here. But right now, it's a waiting game. And waiting is the most important thing when it comes to trading. Because right now, you can just enter long. You could be like, fuck it, Bitcoin's going down so much. It's not going to go any lower. That is incorrect. It can always go lower. So yeah, that's what we're looking at from Bitcoin. But I'm looking at coins like Solana. Let's go on the daily just to show you what I see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Solana around here. Let's change this to green. And let's make it bigger. Solana around here. Or even, let's get a box. Let's get rid of this line. Oh, no, I didn't. All right, cool. Let's get rid of this line. Solana around here, looking appealing. 126 to 130, looking nice. I don't like catching falling knives, but if I see Solana around here, I'll enter. And that's just with not a lot of money because it can easily go lower. It can come down here, right? It can. Like no one, like you know when people tell you Solana's never gonna go to 102, don't make them chat shit to you. It can. No one knows what price will do next, yeah. But Solana around here, that's a great, 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 great entry. But be aware, it can come down here as well. And that's a big drop from here to here. 23%. That's a big, big drop. So yeah, that's one coin that I'm looking at. Solana. Hopefully we get entry round here. And I do like what it's doing right now. It's just on the daily, just going down, right? So at some point we're gonna get some sort of bounce. So I'm looking at Solana. I'm not in no trades apart from my shorts right now. And I'm not closing my shorts. I just explained to you why. Once Bitcoin starts doing higher lows, higher highs, I'll close my shorts, right? What other coins look appealing to me? Uni, I gave this one out the other day. I gave it out on the breakout, on this breakout. I even show you how to do a trend line like this on the daily. I use candle close to get this trend line. Anyways, uni still looking all right, I guess. But yeah, right now it's boring. That's why I didn't really want to do no video. I haven't done a video in like 3 days. Nothing special is really happening. Like Bitcoin's not tanking to 90K. Like you'd think, let's go on the daily. You'd think like, cool, are we gonna break this? And then come down to over here, 88. I see everyone's talking about 88 now. That's a possibility. See everyone talking about let's change 88 to a different color because that's you lost thing. I see it breaking like I see why they're saying 88. I get it. Like, why not? That was resistance before. I get it. I get it. So right now it's just Bitcoin's just boring. Boring. And America didn't really pump it. We're gonna wait and see what Asia does. But if you ask me, yeah, if you ask me as a gamble, like flicking a coin, do you think we're gonna go lower? Or do you think we're gonna have some sort of bounce around here? I would say bounce. But then again, that's just my opinion, innit? I think bounce. And again, it can come lower. But that's why right now it's just a waiting game. This is the most boring bit of trading, but this is also the best part of trading because you get to spend time with your family. You don't need to look at the charts. You can just like don't even worry about Twitter because right now on X, everyone knows everything on X now. So like trust me, right now these are the best times because you get to chill. Just chill, spend time with your family. If you go gym, go gym. If you have hobbies, go back to your hobbies and set your alerts. And when the market starts looking good again, you come in. Right now it's just a waiting game. It's the boring part, but it's the best part as well. Right now, like you can lose a lot of money leverage trading with these little choppy sideway markets, like 2% up, 4% down. It's long, all of that stuff's long. But anyways, I'm gonna keep this nice and short. Like, subscribe, all of that, all of that, all of that.